All right, are we live yet? See ya. There we are. Henry McClure live here at the Glass Houses studio. This goes out to Laura Kelly, our governor. Laura, esteemed governor, resident of Cedar Crest, I'm asking you to veto Senate Bill 104. And I'm going to send all this stuff to you. But I'll tell you, I read the Shawnee County Councilor's opinion, and I read the city of Topeka attorney Amanda Stanley's opinion of why they support not having the Citizens Commission. And I'm going to tell you something. This is really, really a bad idea. The Citizens Commission will help unify our community and give common people a voice and create transparency in our community. The Citizens Commission is actually like having all the computers networked. You know, at some point in time, you need to have all your computers talking to each other so there's efficiencies. And what the Citizens Commission does, it gets the county, the city, the school boards, the MTAA, it gets all these organizations working together. And one of the things that the sophistry that they'll promote in their letters is, well, in 2005, we tried to consolidate the government and the citizens don't really want it. And then Amanda says, well, we have a commission that we study it, and it's just not true. It's not good. So I'm asking you to please veto 104, Senate Bill 104, and then I'm going to try to get to some of the people in the Senate to not override your veto. So please, I need your help. Hope you're doing good. It was nice seeing you on the 4th of July. You're looking good, baby. Henry McClure live.